Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Dazzler. I'm not going to say my real name because if I do so, I can be in trouble. And don't ask me how I will be in trouble because if you watch this video, you will get to know why. Okay, so why I am making this video is to like I have 1 years of experience in IT field, and I feel like many of us face problem like in our early uh, initial stage of this IT, and we look for the problems and we don't get the proper solution, and then things comes in our head, like because of us the development is getting delayed because we are not getting the proper solution because of the lack of experience. So this video I'm making to help you guys. So if you are facing any same problem or issue which I am facing, so this videos will help you guys to solve those problems. So and before we continue with the video, I would like to say, like, I am going to use the test instance of my client, so majority of the things will be hidden in order to protect the data privacy of my client. So but I will be clearly mentioning each and every step what you have to do in order to solve the same issue which I faced. Okay, so let's start. So today's task is like how to create a leaf type and a new leaf type and a new absence reason for that particular leaf. Suppose if client comes and they ask, like, they want a new leaf type ABC, and a reason for that leaf is like XYZ, so they want it to be added in the system. So let's first navigate to the system, like actually where they want it to be, get like where we'll be adding it in the system. So let's log in with any user who is having employee self-service responsibility. So let's go to the employee self-service and go to the leave management, and in the leave management we will be going to the applied leave, and here you can see the leave type. Here we have to add a new leave type of leave which is ABC. Okay, and leave reason we have to add XYZ for that leave. So how can we do that? So I have created a small document um, which will help you guys to see. This is the document, like, which will help you guys to do the step, mandatory step. The navigation can be different in your system, so I will not say, like, I cannot say like this is the same navigation which is there in your system, so it can be different also. But the screens, the end screens which we are going to use will be the same. Okay, so we will be like using only this, we will be referring only this document to how to do it. So now first we need to get my if you want to understand my navigation, so my navigation is like, first what I have written is the responsibility, and after that menus and sub menus. Okay, so first we need a user with the application developer responsibility, and after the application developer responsibility we need to go to the application, then we need to go to the lookups, then we need to go to the common. So let's log in with the user who is having application developer responsibility. In my case it is sysadmin, so let's go to the sysadmin, go to the application developer, then application, then lookups, then common. Okay, so first we are going to add the reason for the leave. Okay, this reason will appear in the LOV, which I will show you after some time in this video. Okay, let's maximize it. So in my case, press F11 to go into the query mode in this screen. So in my case, I have already found out like absence underscore reason is the type, uh, in where we will be mentioning all the leave reasons for the all the type of leaves. You, in your case, it can be different, so you have to like query it here like percentage and a absence, and press Ctrl F11, and then you have to press the down key, and you can relate from the codes and the meaning, like which from in which LOV the all the reasons are mentioned. So in my case it is absence underscore reason, so these are all the reasons which are already there in the reason section. So I will be adding reason XYZ here. Okay, so let's create new code as XYZ, meaning as XYZ, description as XYZ. Okay, so it is coming as 21 November 2021. Let's if you want to change this date, so before entering the day, before saving it, you have to change this date. So from whatever date you want this reason to be in effect, you can change it. Suppose like if I want this date to be mentioned here, I can change it like this, and only thing I have to do is save it. So Control S, if you press Control S or click on this button, so the record will be one record will be applied and saved. So let's refer back to the document again. So we have added our region, so these many steps we have completed. Now we need to add a new leave type ABC. Okay, how to do that? So in order to do that, we need HRMS admin responsibility. Again, in your case, in it this navigation can be different. Suppose if you have directly, if you have any responsibility in which you have absence type, so like this navigation will be not valid, and but screens will be the same, like end screen will be the same. Absence type, we need to get to this screen. Okay, so now we need a user who is having HRMS admin responsibility, and we need to go to that responsibility. We need to go to total compensation, then basic, then absence type. Okay, so in my case, my sysadmin is also having HRMS admin responsibility. So what I have to do is I have to go to the HRMS admin responsibility, click OK. Then we need to go to the total compensation, then we need to go to the basic, and then we need to go to the absence types. So if you want to add the new region to an existing leaf type, so what you have to do, only thing you have to do is press F11, query your existing leaf type, which suppose in my case it is optional leaf. So I will type optional, Control F11, optional leaf, and here I will add in under the reason section, I will add XYZ, which I just created it, and I will press OK and I will save it. But I don't want to add it here. I want to create a new leaf type, and I want to add this reason in that leaf type. So how we do that? Okay, so close this. No, I don't want to save changes. No. Again, I will open this sim screen. I will create new leaf type, which is ABC. I am taking ABC as my for my examples. In your case it can be different, so it can be according to the business requirement. So whatever the business requirement comes, you have to create according to that. And before creating it, before entering any value, if you want this leaf type to exist in the system from a particular date, so you can see this is the system date, which is my current date. It is taking here, so you have to change. If you want to change it, you just have to go to the calendar section and change the effective date. Suppose if I change it to 1st Jan 2000 and click OK, so you can see the effective date got changed. Okay, let me just quickly check whether my audio is getting recorded. It is getting recorded here. Okay, now let's create ABC, And category will be like this is the LOV, which from here you have to select any of the category. Okay, let's take vacation as the category, and then from 1st Jan it is there. Element, there will be elements which will be there, like these are the accrual plans, so in which you want to add it. Suppose if I want to add it into casual leave, okay, casual leave is linked to the payroll, so it will throw a notification to me, like yeah, like this is the notification, this element may be proceeded by the payroll, continue, okay. And as you can see, it automatically detected as days, because this casual leave is in the accrual plan, it is defined as the days. So, and this absence will be increasing or decreasing, like whatever the business requirement comes, according to that you have to select your balance type. So let's select increase, and in the reason section I will add XYZ here. I will click OK, and I will do save or control S. As I do it, I will be getting one notification in the bottom: 2 records applied and saved. Why 2 records? First, it will save these details, upper section details, and then after that it will save the reason details. Okay. So now these steps are done. Let's search for the document. We have completed all the steps. Okay, we have completed all the steps. So now let's test like whether this absence type got added in the absence employee self-service leave management page or not. So let's just close this. Okay, and we will log in to an employee who is having employee self-service responsibility. Let's log in, go to the employee self-service leave management, then apply leave, then leave type. See, you are getting the option of ABC here. Earlier we were not getting it, now we are getting it, ABC, and the reason type is XYZ. That's it, that's all you have to do. And hope this video tutorial helped you, like how to add a leave type and a leave region for a particular leave type. If you like the video, just like the and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading more videos related to the ERP R12, which I am currently working on. And next I will be uploading video on how to create an recurring element and non-recurring element, and then I will be uploading how to write a fast formula from scratch. Okay, so stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one.